Welcome to the user guide for the Martz GP ATV trailer. In this video, you'll learn how to operate your new trailer correctly. Start by folding down the license plate frame. Next, open the two latches located on both sides of the trailer. Ensure that the hydraulic system is pressurized. If there is no pressure, the latch mechanism may be locked. Pump air into the system until you feel noticeable resistance. To lower the transport platform, move the lever to the left. After unloading your vehicle, return the lever to its original position to close the air circuit. This restores the system and allows you to build pressure again. Then, raise the transport platform and secure everything using the latches and safety pins.